West World. If you look closely at that mobile lab, you can see it looks like it's made out of metal. It's actually not. It's made entirely out of wood and painted to look like metal. A little bit of movie magic here in the studio lab. All right, let's get some moon music up in here. What's up, John Williams, and your incredible score? Uh-oh, watch out, guys. Watch out, they spit. No big deal, guys. Just acid. Come on. We're actually trying to train the dinos to just hit people wearing Disney version dice. Did it work? No? Guess we gotta retrain. That's fine. All right, so this is what the mobile lab looked like. Check it out on your screens. Jurassic Park, The Lost World. In the making of that scene, I don't think it would have been nearly as scary or effective if it wasn't done at night or in the rain. We here in sunny Southern California, we don't get a lot of rain. That's why people love to come and shoot here. Anytime we have to have a weather effect for movies or television shows, we can actually create it ourselves here in the background. So we're doing a little weather demonstration for you guys next. We're going to show you how we might make it rain here on our old Mexico sets. Alright, so first of the thunder and lightning effects, those are really just strobe lights and sound effects. Normally you would add that into post-production, but for the purposes of this, we will just add it in now. And then, this is the fun part, we're going to make it rain. Boom. I'm making it rain. So we're using a very fancy film technique right now. It's called a sprinkler system. What we do is we shoot the water straight up, so it falls down naturally. It's all connected to a tank at the very top of the hill that recycles that water over and over and over again. And the rain droplets are a bit bigger than they would be in real life, so they show up better on camera. They still won't show up on camera though. All you do is put a little powdered milk in there. So it wasn't releasing it in the rain, guys. It's actually singing in the milk. Ugh, gross, right? You can stop and start this whenever you need to, which becomes invaluable when you're shooting. Very rarely do you get it on the first take. For the most part, you need multiple. Oh no. There's a flash flood headed our way, guys. Watch out, flash flood! Alright, let's find the first call. We'll be safe up here. Ooh, JK, I like big time. But you know what? Speaking of liars, this whole section of our backlot, including our flash flood, was used in Big Fat Liars, starring Paul Giamatti, Amanda Bynes, and Frankie Muniz. Check it out on your screens.
You can't outrun the wolf, kid! You never pussy about that.
So these are still our old Mexico sets. They've been used in movies like Three Amigos with Chevy Chase, Martin Short, and Steve Martin, and also Nacho Libre. Shout out here with Jen Black, as well as Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull, and 2 episodes of Westworld on HBO. Hopefully some more in the future. Speaking of Westworld, though, we're actually heading into our 6 Points, Texas sets. These are some of the oldest sets here. Some of the most famous cowboys have moseyed down these streets, like John Wayne, Jimmy Stewart, Clint Eastwood, Audie Murphy, just to name a few. Very famous Western brawls have also taken place here. Check these out on your screen.
You're just gonna stir things up here. That I am.
Dare you hit that man?
Mine hit the ground first. Mine was taller.
Alright, you guys, so we are approximately at the halfway mark of the tour, so I just want to remind everyone to stay seated during the entire tour. The studio is private property, and if you drop your phone, or you just can't wait to use the restroom, pull that red cord to get my attention. I'll be back to assist you, but do remain seated on the tram. Alright, thank you guys so much. So our Western sets, our 6 Points Texas sets, have also been used a lot. Relax by the water, get a couple of photographs. Oh no. There's a fin. Is anyone at home Pete to get on the Pete? Get out of the water. Swim towards the boat. Channel Michael Phelps. Do something you could do it. Breaststroke, backstroke, butterfly stroke. No! For Pete's sake. He's got a lot of guts being out there, you guys. A lot of guts. Oh, there they are. that's really gross. There goes my lunch. All right, I think what we should do next is we should hide behind some of these highly flammable gasoline cans. Good idea. Right, awesome. That beige bin is bait. Oh, the shark's taking the bait in the entire pier. We're gonna get a bigger tank because that's one massive shark. Oh, fire. This pier is on fire. Oh my goodness gracious. Alright, so that is our mechanical shark, Bruce. He was named after Steven Spielberg's lawyer. I don't know, I guess lawyers are sharks. If you've ever seen Finding Nemo, the shark was also named Bruce in that. It said he was named after the mechanical shark Bruce from Jaws. Now, Bruce actually gave Spielberg a really hard time when it came to shooting Jaws. They tested him in fresh water. He performed like a dream. As soon as they took him out in the ocean, though, the salt water, Bruce sank right to the bottom of the ocean, prompting the entire production team to call the production dollars. They always get you with the shipping and handling every single time.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
When we first began to sit down to talk about the War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep pressing me. Listen, man. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Okay. Okay, I'm closed.
Okay.
Robbie, get in. Get in.
All right, folks, we are approximately 10 minutes from the end of the tour. We will be returning to the theme park. All right, let's go ride the movies.
Look, this might be more serious than I thought. What just happened? This is a secure run. Who are you?
I'll tell you who I am, boy. I'm the reason bad guys use a nightlight. I'm the reason the boogeyman begs his mama to look under his bed. And I'm the reason you just lost control of this whole operation. My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service. And as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge.
The hell you are?
Let me clue you in on two things, sweet cheeks. One, there's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. And two, an international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Wait a second. What's going on? Oh, whoa. I think we're joining a party right now. Hello. I don't know how to process all this. It's all right. I guess I got the dance moves. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one.
Party's over. Everybody out. This is the FBI. Turn that music off.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party, and where the other
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got it. It's light, man. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of this.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
us. House can't hold them forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
All right, you guys, the time to put on your protective 3D glasses is now. Looks like they're actually going to be hiding us in this abandoned parking garage. Oh no, that does not sound good. Guys, hang on to your butts. I think we're in for a pretty crazy ride.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Cover the left. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up.
Hit it!
Now we're moving.
Dog, look out!
You give me the witness, Toretto, and we call it a day! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Call it the...
Way to go, Letty. Drop one of the missile shot. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this.